Ever wondered what are the do's and don'ts of international travel? Now that's a question that stirs the imagination and sets the heart aflutter. International travel, that grand tapestry of experiences that span across continents and cultures, has a certain allure that's undeniable. It's an invitation to venture into the unknown, to immerse ourselves in the unfamiliar, to broaden our minds and enrich our lives in ways we could never imagine. Yet, as enticing as it may be, international travel is not without its challenges. It's a dance with the unknown, a tango with the unexpected. And like any dance, it has its own rhythm and rules, its own do's and don'ts that, when followed, can transform an arduous journey into a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Why are these guidelines crucial, you ask? Well, imagine stepping off a plane in a foreign land, your heart brimming with excitement, only to find yourself lost in translation, or worse, inadvertently offending your hosts due to a cultural faux pas. Not exactly the travel memoir you'd want to write home about, is it? But don't fret, because knowing the do's and don'ts of international travel is like having a trusty compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of cultural nuances and local customs. It's your passport to a seamless journey, your ticket to a memorable adventure. So, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, whether you're drawn to the siren call of the wild or the pulsating heartbeat of a cosmopolitan city, these do's and don'ts are your invaluable travel companions. They are the unsung heroes that can turn your journey from a series of missteps into a symphony of unforgettable moments. So buckle up, fellow wanderers, as we embark on this journey of discovery. Stick around as we delve into the do's and don'ts of international travel. This is going to be a ride you won't want to miss. First, we focus on the things you absolutely must do when traveling internationally. Let's start with the importance of research. Diving into the depths of your destination's culture, history, and norms is not just thrilling, but it's also a crucial part of your travel preparations. Get a feel for the local customs, traditions, and etiquette. This will not only enrich your travel experience but also help you blend in and respect the local culture. As they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Next, let's talk about checking travel advisories. These are crucial pieces of information that can affect your travel plans. Governments issue advisories to inform travelers about potential risks, such as political unrest, health emergencies, or extreme weather conditions. Staying updated with these advisories will help you make informed decisions about your travel and ensure your safety. Now, onto something many travelers overlook: travel insurance. It's easy to think that nothing will go wrong, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Travel insurance can cover unexpected incidents like flight cancellations, medical emergencies, or even lost luggage. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind during your international adventures. Next on the list, packing wisely. It's tempting to bring your entire wardrobe, but it's not practical or feasible. Remember, you'll be hauling your luggage around, so keep it light. Pack essentials and versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Don't forget to consider the weather and cultural norms of your destination while packing. And remember, there are laundry facilities around the world, so you don't need to pack a new outfit for each day. In the midst of all the excitement, don't forget about your health. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and get enough sleep. It's also recommended to get any necessary vaccinations before you travel. Your health is your wealth, even more so when you're away from home. Lastly, keep digital and physical copies of your important documents like passport, visa, and travel insurance. You never know when you might need them. Store them in a safe place and keep a set with a trusted friend or family member back home. And here's a bonus tip. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello, thank you, or please can go a long way in building connections with locals and enhancing your travel experience. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to international travel. So take the time to do your homework, respect the local culture, stay informed, protect yourself with travel insurance, pack wisely, and take care of your health. Happy globetrotting. Now, let's shift our focus to the things you should avoid doing when traveling internationally. First off, overpacking. It's easy to fall into the trap of stuffing your suitcase with everything you might need. But trust us, you don't want to be lugging around a heavy suitcase across different countries. Pack only what you need, and remember, most places will have shops where you can buy things you might have forgotten. Next up, disrespecting local customs. One of the best parts about traveling is experiencing different cultures. It's crucial to respect the customs and traditions of the places you're visiting. This includes dressing appropriately, being aware of local etiquette, and not touching or defacing cultural artifacts. Ignoring these can not only offend the locals but may also land you in legal trouble. Moving on, let's talk about travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but traveling without insurance can be a costly mistake. It's like an umbrella on a sunny day. You might not need it, but if it starts pouring, you'll be glad you have it. Whether it's a lost suitcase, a canceled flight, or a medical emergency, travel insurance can save you from a lot of stress and financial burden. Lastly, neglecting safety measures. This one is a biggie. Just because you're on vacation doesn't mean you should let your guard down. Always be aware of your surroundings, avoid risky areas, especially at night, and keep your belongings secure. And remember, just because something is legal in your home country doesn't mean it's legal everywhere. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget about your health. Make sure you're up to date on all necessary vaccinations, and pack a small first aid kit with essentials. Avoid street food if you have a sensitive stomach, and stay hydrated, especially in hot climates. So, to wrap up, avoid overpacking, respect local customs, don't travel without insurance, and never neglect safety measures. And don't forget to take care of your health. Avoiding these common mistakes can make your international travel experience more enjoyable and stress-free. So, those were some essential do's and don'ts of international travel. We've journeyed together through the excitement of international travel and the many ways you can ensure your trip is as smooth, enjoyable, and culturally enriching as possible. Let's quickly revisit the key takeaways from our global exploration. Our travel do's urged you to research your destination thoroughly, familiarize yourself with local customs and etiquette, and embrace the local cuisine. We highlighted the importance of staying connected but also taking time to disconnect and truly immerse yourself in the culture and environment you're exploring. We also emphasized the importance of respecting cultural sites and leaving a positive impact wherever you go. On the flip side, we navigated the don'ts of international travel. We warned against overpacking and sticking too rigidly to your itinerary. We cautioned about neglecting travel insurance and the potential pitfalls of not checking your passport's expiration date. We also underscored the importance of not underestimating the power of local currency and the potential language barriers you might face. These guidelines are not meant to overwhelm you, but rather to prepare you. Knowing the do's and don'ts of international travel can help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your journey. As we wrap up, remember, every travel experience is unique and personal, and it's these individual moments and memories that make each trip so special. So as you plan your next adventure, keep these tips in mind. They'll not only ensure a better travel experience, they'll also help you become a more conscious and respectful global citizen. But our journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn and more adventures to embark upon. So why not hit that subscribe button? With us, you'll continue to discover new travel tips and insights that will make your journeys even more unforgettable. Remember, traveling is all about embracing new experiences and stepping out of your comfort zone. So, plan well, stay informed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.